Now let's take a moment of gratitude and appreciation for this land that we're on, that has supported Camilla's family for generations, and has enabled us to be here together today.
Admittedly, I don't know much about love as a 16-year-old, but here's what I do know. I know love can feel like flowers blooming in June. I know love can feel like the warm kiss of sunlight on a summer's afternoon. I may not know much about love in the end, but what I do know is that the love that Camilla and Nick share is one of partners and best friends.
This is a man's world. This is a man's world. But it wouldn't be nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl.
Welcome, everyone. What a joy it is to be here together to unite Nick and Camilla in marriage today.
On Saturday, June 6th, 2020, almost 3 years to the day, you officially hard-launched me as your boyfriend. It was a sunny day in Palo Alto, and you invited a bunch of friends for a socially distanced picnic for your 29th birthday.
Leading you down that bright road.
The night of our first date, I went home and wrote in my journal, I had a really incredible time on this date tonight. I felt myself, open, and like I didn't want it to end.
This is a day we have looked forward to for so long. It is here. It is now.
From as early as I could remember, you have been my person. If I were to write a book about my life, I wouldn't dedicate a chapter or two to you. I would ask you to be my co-author.
I stand here before you as the proud mother of the beautiful bride, Camilla. I like to think that I played a role in shaping her into a woman she has become today.
Everything changed for me when I met my wife. I wanted this speech to give you guys an idea of where this incredible son of mine came from. Because Nick is a miracle. He shouldn't have happened, and I shouldn't have happened.
Hey everyone, welcome to the tutorial for the group dance that we'll do at the end of the reception. There's going to be 6 moves that we'll review.
We might sometimes call it sorrow, but we might call it a union. One that, once we notice it, once we bring it into the light, might become flower and food, might be joy.
Camilla, your friendship changed my life, and living with you remains one of the best decisions I've ever made.
It took Nick about 1 to 2 years to realize that I wasn't going away and reluctantly accepting me as his best friend.
Camilla, I vow that I will love you with all of my being from this moment on until we become soil. And after that, I will find you in the next life. I am with you until the end of time itself. I love you forever.
To when they walking in the club, play that belly from the top. Yeah, play belly from the top, then I want you to go to the scene with her and Shorty and that blue.
Time to act bad.
Act bad.
Act bad.
Act bad.
Act bad.
Act bad. Act bad. Act bad.
Act bad.
Act bad.
Act bad.
Act bad.
Act bad.
Act bad. Act bad. Act bad.
If you look good, act bad. If you look good, act bad. If you look good, act bad. If you look good, act bad. Act bad.
Act bad. Act bad.
Act bad.
Act bad. Act bad.
Take a look around you at this beautiful village that you two have. This isn't just a room of people who flew to Rwanda to show up for a wedding. They're here to show up for your love, for your relationship. And I know I can speak for all of us when I say we're always going to show up for you anytime you need us.